Hello, welcome, come on in. Welcome to the new TCCHS. This that you're looking at is our beautiful commons area, something that our students will hopefully be able to one day appreciate once we get these things off and can come back to in-seat. Mr. Kravico is our art teacher, and in this studio you see the many different things that he has going on between a corner of the room set up for our photography students. We actually have a video corner over here with a green screen. And then over here, next to that, our workshop. This is going to be our adult makerspace where you're going to be able to work with different tools and different crafts to build things. So these computers are all some of the best in the district for gaming. We have a 3D printer, a 3D scanner, so we can get the overall sense of trying to transform what used to be a computer lab into a room that is more about creation. This in here is our music lab. Kids can come in, they can create, they can learn how to edit, leverage technology as it relates to music creativity. This is kind of a complement to the music room. Kids can come in here and use some really state-of-the-art sound editing equipment, from the microphones to the headsets to the actual mixing board itself. Podcasts are really important right now, so we thought capturing that was really important. In here is our library. This was given to us through a grant from Oakland Schools. We've got close to $20,000 worth of new books in this room, so a lot of exciting things for our kids in promoting literacy as well, and I wanted to make sure that was seen. So this is our science lab and classroom all combined in one. It's the biggest classroom in the entire building. Ms. Leonard has done some amazing things in the aesthetics, but obviously she's even better when it comes to the learning, and now she has a space where she can really capture kids' imagination and science excitement, because the room has so much space and opportunity. So I thought that would be cool to show you as well.